Bonjour, c'est Madame Sacco, et maintenant je vais vous expliquer les comparaisons avec les adjectifs. So I'm going to explain comparisons with adjectives just like we did in class today. So I wanted to give you an idea of how they work. So when we want to compare two things, it's very simple sentence structure. So we're going to have the subject, the person that we want to compare, a verb, and typically this is going to be être when we're using adjectives because we're saying somebody is something else. Then we're going to have a choice, either plus, more, moins, less, or aussi, as, then our adjective, then the word que, and then the other person or thing. This adjective right here has to agree with that subject. So, an example, if I want to say the girl is taller than the boy, la fille est plus grande que le garçon. Okay, so notice there's an E on grande because it's feminine, because the girl is feminine. On the other hand, if I want to say the boy is shorter than the girl, le garçon est plus petit que la fille. No E on the end here because it is masculine. If we want to talk about more than one person, if I want to say the boys are taller than the girls, les garçons sont plus grands with an S que les filles. S because it's plural, because garçon is plural, so grand is plural. If I want to say the girls are as tall as the boys, that's when we're going to use aussi. Les filles sont, notice I changed the verb être too to match the subject, aussi grandes, with an es on the end, que les garçons. Okay, notice the es on the end here because les filles is plural and feminine as well. The only exception really right now that you need to be worried about is plus bonne. You can't say, for example, les Patriots, to stick with this theme, sont plus bons que les Falcons. We can't say plus bon. That doesn't happen. Just like you can't say more good in English, you have to say better. So in French, you have to say meilleur. And meilleur also will agree. So les Patriots is plural, so you have to add an S here. So notice meilleur. So you're going to want to be able to learn that. Meilleur. Okay, E for feminine, S is for plurals. All right, and again, these just pertain to adjectives, and since they're adjectives, we're not describing how well we play something or something like that. We're just talking about describing things. So when we're talking about our clothing, we can certainly use these words. So for right now, you should be thinking about comparisons and how they are going to impact you when you start speaking and giving your opinion. Merci et bonne nuit.